Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram auto post when possible. Now all you have to do is open your mobile phone and on that mobile phone open settings. Now go to your apps or your applications and search in Instagram. As you can see here, I have searched in Instagram and open it. Now go to stories. Now after that, as you can see in the bottom screen, clear data, click on it and clear cache and hit OK. And after that your problem is all solved. And if it is still not working, then you should reinstall your Instagram by uninstalling your Instagram and reinstalling it again. Then your problem will be fixed. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.